Speaking of the Bitcoin spot ETF, you have your finger on the pulse. You're right there in the ETF world. What are your thoughts on a timeline, potential timeline, where you think it could actually be approved?
Here's my general thesis. Again, it could change, but I think in a few weeks, we're just going to wake up one day and hopefully Bloomberg gets the scoop, or CoinDesk, or somebody. Maybe I'll get it. I don't know. And we're going to just find out that the 19B4s are approved. We web scrape, so maybe our web scraper will catch it. And we're going to go, that's it. And the 19B4 is one half of the process. But if those get approved, the moment we learn that, it's a game over. Because Trading in Markets approves the 19B4s, and then the S1s are like the prospectus, and that's approved by a different SEC division. But they all report to the 10th floor, which is where this issue is right now. That's where Gensler sits. So if we see Trading in Markets approve, we're pretty much home free. There will be some details probably to work out with the S1, maybe some other updates. Some of this stuff could take a while, especially the holidays. So I could see this being pushed into 2024. Now, I could be wrong too, but that's generally how I see this happening. So I see the joy of the good news of approval within weeks, in my opinion. But then there still will be some steps to take before they're actually on the market. And that process could take 6 weeks to 2 months. But once they're trading, that's a whole different thing. And you love to see the actual trading. But the real thing we're waiting for to release all this pent-up energy is this 19B4 approval. And once we get that, all this other stuff will be like really more easygoing details, because we'll know we've crossed the finish line already. And so I think that's how this will play out. And we'll see. So, but they technically have till January 10th to approve the 19B4s, by the way. So they could stretch it out all the way to then. I don't think they do, but like I said, even if they did, we're now talking 7 weeks. So this is it.
This is the final stretch.
Yeah, if you're talking about a 10-year saga, this is the final 1% of all this.
Wow, the final countdown.
It is.